family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. I missed the deal being lazy and doing the one that was for that Airwick, the refill, the fresh linen. I missed that deal because, like I said, I was being lazy. But I actually got it over in Family Dollar. So if anyone is needing the actual the linen refill, you can do it over at Family Dollar. All it's going to do is discount it to, I think it was like $6.85. Hold on, let me get it. All right, y'all. Remember I was telling y'all that I missed the deal as far as on Dollar General, but here is the deal for Family Dollar. It is $6.85 in Family Dollar, so that is still going. But when I scanned in the store, it wasn't attaching, wasn't showing. But I just went ahead and checked out just to see if it was going to attach. Because what I did was I put some gummy bears with it that was like $1.25, and I'm going to show you my receipt in a few minutes. So if anyone missed the deal at Dollar General, this deal right here for this one is at Family Dollar. So let me show you my receipt on that. Here is the Family Dollar one. There is the herb. I got me some $1.25 because I wanted something in there. So just in case it didn't, I can just tell them just take it off because I was going to get the gummy bears anyway. But you see it was $6.85 on it. And then the subtotal. So if anybody wants to do the this linen, again, just go to Family Dollar. So let's go ahead and get back to Dollar General. So on Dollar General, let me show you what I got. And then also I got a $3 off. I had got on 3 of my numbers, I got $3 off, $3 coupons. And I was like, wow, it was digital. It was only on 3 of them. So I had 1 left. Then also I did a $3 off of $10. Well, 3 if you spend, I'm sorry, if you spend $10, you get $3 back on the P&G. So I had that one on the same number. Okay, I had on the same number. So let me show you what I got. So the Oral-B, I got the Bright and Clean. I got that. They are $1 a piece. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is giving me some overage. So I got that. And then I got this Febreze plug warmer. It is $3.25. There is a $2.30 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then I got the Dawn. Now, y'all know how I do. I was getting ready to get something else, but I was like, no, I think my $3 already came off. It ain't came off yet. So I went ahead and got the Dawn so I can get the $10. When you spend $10 on P&G items, you get $3 back. But these are $5 a piece. There is a $3.99 digital coupon that is attaching. So, excuse me, y'all. My granddaughter, she just said something. So, that's my granddaughter. But these are $5 a piece. There is a digital coupon. You're supposed to buy one of the sprays and then get a refill. But I got 2 sprays. I mean, you can do it if you want, or you can do it how the coupon says. It's up to you, okay? I don't do no judging. I just do me. So my $3.99 did come off. So after all my coupons and then my $3 that they gave me came off. So my subtotal was $2.95. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. So there's the Oral-B, the Febreze plug, the Dawn Power Wash, and then there is my $2.95. $3 digital coupon came off. And then my total savings was $12.30. And then I'm getting, oh, look at this, y'all. I didn't even pay attention. Now they're giving you 2 of them now on the receipt. You can do either the 10 off of 40, or you can do the 5 off of 25. It's up to you, however you want to do, whenever you want to do. I guess if you want to do both, you can do both. And then also, you know, we get the digitals too. I did get back my $3 when I spent 10 on the PG. It is, and I'll show you on that also. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nine, Miss China.